So here we have our 4 very innocent cloves of garlic. There's the one that I've just crushed gently with the knife, haven't removed the skin yet. Number 2, skin removed. Number 3, freshly chopped. Now at this stage, the allicinin hasn't had a chance to release yet. So, friendly, I hear you say. No way, if you eat it like this, it really burns. Well, the answer is to age it. Now apparently, we call this kyolic garlic. And here is the aged garlic. Now that garlic I've aged overnight, and I'd be fascinated to hear from anyone who's got any scientific studies on how long to age garlic for. What I do know is that you want to leave it at least 20, 40 minutes, an hour after this stage, because the active compound, allicinin, releases when the garlic comes into contact with air. And it's that allicinin that clears through our own airways, preferring the upper respiratory tract to release itself from our bodies. In the process, clearing out any kind of nasties, bacteria, little organisms and so on that are not friendly to our immune system. This makes garlic a remarkable probiotic in the sense that it's good for us but not good for the bacteria that would do us damage. Now I eat about half a clove twice a day, so once in the morning and once with food in the evening, so that I don't get too many complaints late at night. There we have it. Enjoy. Oh, and one more tip, you use it just like you would an antibiotic. So if you're trying to cure something, you've got to do this for at least 3 or 4 days before you'll notice quite profound effects.